Although spleen is not a vital organ, however, it plays an important role in the body. There are five important functions of the spleen which we will discuss in this lecture. First one is filtration of the blood. Spleen acts as filter of the blood and it filters out the old, damaged, worn out RBCs which have completed their 120 days lifespan. These RBCs are damaged or broken down by the spleen. The spleen consists of macrophages, a kind of blood cells, which break these RBCs. The macrophages are present in the spleen, which break and recycle the old, damaged, and worn out RBCs after their completion of lifespan of 120 days. And these RBCs, when these are broken down, hemoglobin is released, out of which iron component is recycled. The iron is recycled in manner of ferritin or bilirubin and returned to the blood circulation or liver. So here the destruction of RBCs occur, therefore spleen is also termed as graveyard of RBCs, the graveyard of red blood cells. This is the common synonym of the spleen, the graveyard of red blood cells. This was the prime function of spleen. Second is storage of cells. So spleen stores white blood cells as well as platelets. These both kind of cells are stored in the spleen. Next is storage of blood. Spleen can store up to 240 ml of the blood as reserved volume and it releases this blood at a time of need. For example, in case of severe bleeding, in trauma, menstruation or surgery, when there is hypovolemia or the blood is lost, spleen returns this 240 ml of the blood back to the circulation of the body to maintain the vitality of life, and survival is made possible by this reserved volume. Spleen acts as lymphoid organ. It is important lymphoid organ as it produces lymphocytes, and these lymphocytes are important for the killing of infectious agents entering into the body. So this is an important lymphoid or immune organ and plays an important function in the immunity. Spleen also plays important role and it synthesizes the blood cells during fetal life. All kind of the blood cells, for example, erythrocytes, leukocytes, or thrombocytes, these are synthesized during fetal life by the spleen.